Meet Moisture Conditioner, a treatment-rich moisture conditioner that balances hair's moisture levels, detangles, and strengthens hair for silky smooth hydration. Great for all hair types. Softens and conditions hair without causing buildup or leaving hair greasy. Moisture conditioner is sulfate, phthalate, gluten, sodium chloride, and paraben free. Key ingredients. Quinoa protein strengthens, protects, and increases hair moisture retention. Argan oil coats the hair shaft, adding moisture and shine while taming frizz and flyaways. Hazelnut oil nourishes, prevents breakage, and protects hair from environmental stressors. After cleansing with shampoo, apply the moisturizing conditioner evenly from roots to ends. Leave in for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse thoroughly.